Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Story Listening. Before we start, I have a small question for you. How did Mina get better from her fever? Listen carefully. You will find the answer in this story. Today, we will listen to a simple story about visiting a hospital. Please relax and listen carefully. Hey, Mina, how are you today? Hi, Ken. I don't feel well today. Oh no, what's wrong? I have a headache. My head really hurts. That's not good. Do you have a fever? Yes, I think so. My body feels hot and I feel very tired. That sounds bad. You should see a doctor. Really? I feel nervous. Don't worry, I will go with you. Before we go, let's check some things. Do you have your insurance card? Yes, I have it. Do you have some cash? Yes, I have some money. Do you have your ID card? Yes, I have my ID. Good. Now we are ready. Let's go. They walk to the hospital. Walk slowly. Don't rush. Thank you, Ken. Hello. How can I help you? Hello, I would like to see a doctor. What is the problem? I have a headache. I have a fever and I feel very tired. Please give me your insurance card. Here you are. Please fill out this form. Okay. Now, I feel nervous. Don't worry. You're doing great. Hello. I am the doctor. What is the problem? I have a headache and a fever. Let me check. Yes, you have a fever. Is it serious? No. Don't worry. It is just a cold. Please listen carefully. Take medicine 3 times a day. Drink a lot of water. Eat light food. And rest well. Okay, I understand. Thank you, doctor. Hello. How can I help you? Here is my paper. Please wait a few minutes. Your medicine is ready. This is for your headache. Take it after meals. This is for your fever. Okay, I understand. I feel better now. That's good. Please rest at home. I will eat soup and sleep early. Mina takes her medicine. She rests well. The next day, she feels much better. So, did you find the answer? How did Mina get better from her fever? Write your answer in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe to English Story Listening. Also, share this video with your friends. Keep practicing English every day and you will improve step by step. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Take care and keep learning English. Bye.